Welcome, foodies! Today we're crafting flavorful, incredibly kind to your budget omelet. Every exquisite dish begins with wonderful ingredients. First, our onion. I'll take 3 thin slices from a quarter of our onion. Cut in half 4 cherry tomatoes, what will allow their sweet juices to mingle beautifully in our omelet. 4 baby Brussels sprouts, simply halved. This helps them cook through beautifully and allows for that lovely golden sear. Our foundation, 2 beautiful organic eggs go into a bowl, a generous pinch of salt, and a dash of dried parsley. Then, that special touch, a tablespoon of sour cream. Of course, if you prefer, Greek yogurt works just as beautifully. Give it a gentle whisk with a fork until just combined. For an even lighter, fluffier texture, a quick spin in a blender works wonders. With our ingredients ready, let's move to the pan. A lovely non-stick pan over a medium heat is perfect. Add a whisper of your favorite cooking oil. We start with our onions and Brussels sprouts. They take a little longer to become tender and beautifully golden, so we give them a head start, stirring gently until they soften and take on that inviting color. Once our onions and sprouts are glistening and golden, it's time for our cherry tomatoes. Just a quick moment in the pan to warm through. Then, gently pour our beautifully whisked egg mixture right over the top. Now, a little secret for a perfectly cooked omelet. Cover your pan with a lid. This traps the heat, allowing the omelet to cook through evenly and beautifully without needing to be flipped. Let it cook undisturbed until it's set and fluffy. And there you have it. A simply gorgeous, perfectly cooked omelet ready to be enjoyed. It's truly amazing what we can create with a little careful planning. If you enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing to my channel to support me. And do let me know in the comments below what other delightful dishes you'd love to see me create in the future.